In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms for attendance, your full 2025 guide to efficiently manage and track attendance for your classes or events. Let's dive right in. First, head over to forms.office.com. This is the gateway to setting up your attendance form. Once you're there, click on New Form to get started. You might want to title your form something intuitive like Attendance Sheet, your class or event name. The aim is to make it easily identifiable for your attendees. To enhance clarity, add a short description such as "Please fill out this form to confirm your attendance," so participants clearly understand the purpose of the form. Now let's talk about adding questions. You'll want to ensure you're capturing all necessary details. Consider adding fields like full name and email or ID number. These should be marked as required to avoid any blank entries and to streamline verification. Don't forget to include the date and time of attendance field. Here, you should use the date question type and make sure to enable the include time option. If you're running multiple sessions, adding a session event selection as a choice field will help attendees select the appropriate one. Next, one of your primary concerns might be preventing duplicate or fake entries. Navigate to settings by clicking on the menu. Here, you can enable the record name feature, especially if your attendees are using Microsoft 365 work or school accounts. For additional security, you may want to allow only one response per person. If your event is public, requiring an email field becomes essential for verifying attendance. Once your form is ready and secure, it's time to share it with your attendees. Click on the Share button to explore different sharing options. You can generate a QR code for quick check-ins, which is particularly useful if you want to print or display something for attendees to scan upon arrival. Alternatively, you can share a link through chat, email, or even Teams. And if you prefer, embed the form on a website or learning platform. After your event is underway, it's crucial to monitor attendance in real time. By navigating to the Responses tab in Microsoft Forms, you'll be able to see live responses, complete with names and timestamps. For long-term records, you can use the Open in Excel feature to export all the data into a spreadsheet. For those who are all about automation, consider using Power Automate to streamline the process even further. By creating a new flow triggered by a new response submission in Microsoft Forms, you can automate the save of response details directly to Excel, SharePoint, or even set up a confirmation email to be sent out. After your event, use Excel to review and store these records. Filtering data by date, time, or session and creating pivot tables can make managing your records simpler. Always make sure to store these securely in OneDrive or SharePoint, ensuring compliance and easy access in the future. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to managing attendance using Microsoft Forms.